Good morning guys, in front of me is FAIRPHONE 4 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first, open your camera app, then enroll settings, and here you will notice countdown timer. Mark it and now select 2, 5 or 8 seconds delay, then go back. And as you can see now, when you click on camera shutter, this delay will be applied. And that is all. Afterwards, the picture is taken. If you tap on settings again, you can smoothly switch the timer off. Just click on countdown timer and select off. And now you can grab a picture straight after you click. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.